I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to focus everything inside me now. Full speed ahead.
Suzuki Gixxer SF 250. Meron siyang SRP 188,171. Down payment is 18,500 at monthly for 3 years na 8,200 at saka may rebates po siya na 200 to 300 if advance. Anyway guys, meron din po silang bracket na mapagpipilian dito like 12 months to 24 months. Pili lang kayo kung ano yung magiging gusto nyo monthly. So, full review ko po nito guys. I-check nyo lang po sa aking YouTube channel kasi na-review ko na din po itong isang to. Anyway guys, this one is naka-ABS na. So makakaasa ka guys na during your high speed at saka magsa-sudden brake kayo, safe na po yung braking system ninyo. So pili lang kayo sa dalawa guys. Meron sila sports naked bike at saka yung sports bike. Ayan. So kung naghahanap naman din po kayo ng scooter, no, na pang touring or pang araw-araw ni Suzuki, meron sila available dito na Suzuki Avinis. Meron siyang SRP. Ayan. 81,296. Down payment is 5,000 at monthly for 3 years na 3,818 at rebates na 200 to 300 if advance. Actually, na-review ko na po yung color black nito. So, kung gusto nyo po ng full review, i-check nyo lang din po sa aking YouTube channel. So, Suzuki Avinis guys, same lang po sila ng specs features ni Bergman. Ang pinagkaiba lang po is yung kanyang looks. Pero kung naghahanap naman di po kayo ng Suzuki Bergman, meron siyang SRP 84,197. Down payment is 5,000 and monthly for 3 years na 3,948 at rebates na 200 to 300 if advance. Anyway guys, pili lang kayo dito ano yung magiging gusto nyong monthly. Kung 12 months ba yung i-avail nyo, 24 months or 36 months. Anyway guys, mayroon naman siyang bracket na mapagpipilian dito. So, full review, check nyo na lang din po sa YouTube channel ko. Pero kung naghahanap naman din po kayo ng Suzuki Skydrive Sports 2023 models, meron siyang SRP 72,107. Down payment is 4,000 at monthly for 3 years na 3,451 at rebates na 200 to 300 if advance. So, ayan, pili lang kayo guys kung ano yung gusto nyo magiging scooter. Yung bulky type ba or this one. Anyway, pwede naman to pang araw-araw at saka pang negosyo, pang hanap buhay. Kung naghahanap naman din po kayo guys ng motor na matipid din sa gas, meron din silang available dito guys na Suzuki Smash standard version, meaning yung naka-drum brake. Meron siyang SRP 62,357. Down payment is 4,000 and monthly for 3 years na 2,988 at rebates na 200 to 300 if advance. This one guys is standard version drum brake, both front and rear. No? So, kung naghanap kayo ng Suzuki Smash guys, meron sila available dito na isang unit which is color red. At kung naghanap naman din po kayo na 2023 model na Suzuki Raider 150 Fi, meron siyang SRP 116,000. Down payment is 8,000 and monthly for 3 years na 5,366 at rebates na 200 to 300 if advance. So, na-review ko na din po ito guys. I-check nyo na lang din po sa YouTube channel ko. Pero kung naghahanap naman din po kayo ng Suzuki Raider car, meron siyang SRP 104,026. Down payment is 8,000 and monthly for 3 years na 4,818 at rebates na 200 to 300 if advance. Ayan. So, this one guys is 2022 model pa rin. Yung 2023 model guys is meron sila available na parang color gold and black combination at saka yung color red. V-Strom 250 SX. Anyway guys, na-review ko na tong isang to. So, kung gusto niyo ng full review ko nito, i-check nyo lang po sa YouTube channel ko. Meron siyang SRP 229,000. Down payment is 25,000 and monthly for 3 years na 9,572 at mayroong rebates na 200 to 300 if advance. Suzuki Gixxer 250. So this one guys is yung merong ABS na, no? So kung naghahanap kayo ng sports naked bike na naka-ABS, meron sila available dito. Meron siyang SRP 178,499. Down payment is 17,500 at monthly for 3 years na 7,803 at rebates na 200 to 300 if advance. So kung naghahanap po kayo ng review ko nito, i-check nyo lang po sa aking YouTube channel kasi na-review ko na din po itong isang ito.